Energy comes from the food we eat. The main source is glucose, a type of sugar. Cells break down glucose through a process called respiration, using special helpers called enzymes. Types of respiration. 1. Aerobic respiration, with oxygen, happens in the mitochondria of cells. Equation. Glucose plus oxygen, right pointing arrow, carbon dioxide plus water plus lots of energy. 2. Anaerobic respiration, without oxygen, in yeast. Glucose, right pointing arrow, alcohol plus carbon dioxide in human muscles. During hard exercise, glucose, right pointing arrow, lactic acid. Less energy is produced than in aerobic respiration. Keywords. Aerobic respiration uses oxygen to break down glucose. Anaerobic respiration breaks down glucose without oxygen. Gas exchange in humans. Why is gas exchange important? Our body needs oxygen for respiration to make energy. It also produces carbon dioxide as waste, which must be removed. How does gas exchange work? Oxygen enters the body and reaches the cells. Carbon dioxide leaves the body. Where does this happen? At gas exchange surfaces in our body, like the lungs. These surfaces must be thin, moist, have a large surface area, have a good blood supply. Keywords. Gas exchange. Movement of oxygen in and carbon dioxide out of the body. Gas exchange surface. The place where this happens, like the lungs. The human breathing system. Main parts. 1. Nose or mouth, where air enters. 2. Trachea, windpipe, carries air to the lungs, supported by cartilage rings to stay open. 3. Bronchi, 2 tubes that branch from the trachea, 1 to each lung. 4. Bronchioles, smaller tubes inside the lungs. 5. Alveoli, tiny air sacs at the end of bronchioles where gas exchange happens. Special features inside the airways. Goblet cells make mucus to trap dust and germs. Cilia, tiny hairs that move the mucus out of the lungs to keep them clean. How alveoli help in gas exchange? Walls are very thin, so gases move easily. There are millions of alveoli, giving a huge surface area. Surrounded by tiny blood vessels, capillaries, to carry gases in and out. How we breathe in and out. Breathing in, inspiration. 1. Diaphragm contracts and moves downward. 2. Intercostal muscles, between ribs, contract and pull the ribs up and out. 3. This makes the chest space bigger. 4. Air pressure inside the chest goes down. 5. So, air is pulled in through the nose, mouth, into the lungs. Breathing out, expiration. 1. Diaphragm relaxes and moves up, dome shape. 2. Intercostal muscles relax, ribs move down and in. 3. This makes the chest space smaller. 4. Air is pushed out of the lungs. During forceful breathing, like coughing, extra muscles like internal intercostal and abdominal muscles help to push out more air. Key muscles for breathing. Intercostal muscles, between the ribs, help move rib cage. Diaphragm, large muscle under the lungs that helps in breathing in and out.